body harmonize, souls bloom and you fly. आप बहुत हल्के हो जाते हो and then you meet the origin smile. So we are focusing very small dimension in this camp. Not only lip smile. Every cell, you have trillions of cells in your body and each cell has soul, mind, body, life. Our lip smile should expand so much. The metaphysical aspect of smile should expand so much that it penetrates your trillion, each cell. And disease will रह ही नहीं सकती. You have to participate. This is for yourself. Yes. So now, when I talk about lip smile, our journey starts from lip smile. See, this is body smile, mind smile, and how does soul smile looks like? You can see the slide. This is soul smile, baby smile, and then body smile. When body you can move, can you understand how body smile looks like? जैसे कि एक डॉग जिसने पेट पालते हैं, जो पेट पालते हैं, जब आप बहुत देर के बाद घर पहुंचते हो तो वो पेट कैसे करता है? बॉडी स्माइल दिखाता है कि नहीं दिखाता? उसने ऐसे स्माइल नहीं किया, बट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ही इज शोइंग मी स्माइल करता है ना? So this is body smile. But why we are not doing? We also have to do this kind of smile to reach the soul. Until and unless we harmonize mind and body, जब तक वो पेट की तरह हम भी शेक नहीं करेंगे, we don't smile. We cannot touch the soul phenomena. Yes. So now when I say about lip smile, you can see this is origin smile. When I say real smile, how does real smile looks like? In Wellness Center, you will see these kind of logos. What is the difference between this logo and the logo which you see in the internet and in the market? Can you see the difference? Eyes are smiling, nose is smiling, and lips are. Is it different? Your face should look like this. Yes? So, real smile comes when we are fully aware of our souls, the source from which I have come out, our origin. Yes? And then real smile also comes when we understand that why we are born on this earth and what is my purpose, what is the purpose of my life. And this world is not suffering world, this is wonder world. There are so many illusions in the form of life situations. Don't stick to those situations. When you will have this real smile, you will very easily understand that this is the illusion. And there is physical and metaphysical aspect of smile. We will touch each phenomena. And now let's talk about lip smile. We are talking about smiles and smile of each part of the body, but our smile journey starts from the lip smile. Now on physical level, let's understand in a simple way that why smile is so important. This is also called lip mudra. And in smile meditation, this lip mudra is most important because the name of this camp is, what is the name of this camp? Smile camp. So we have to train our lips first. Yes? And this is lip mudra. And lip mudra is most important, but with the essence of inner smile. It is not just doing yoga, but at least something is better than nothing. Even if smile is not coming, your inner world is not allowing you to smile, at least you lip mudra, lip corners going up. This is first step. Now smiling activates the release of neuropeptides that work together fighting off stress. Each time you smile, you are actually blessing your brain. You are smiling for yourself. Smiling activates the release of feel-good messengers that work towards fighting stress. Actually, these messengers help you experience a whole range of emotions from happiness to sadness, anger to depression. When a smile flashes across your face, dopamine and endorphins and serotonin are released into your bloodstream, making not only your body relax, but also work to harmonize your heart rate and blood pressure. And do you know that these endorphins are natural painkillers, 100% naturally produced by your own body. Release of dopamine serves as an antidepressant mood lifter. It is a chemical that helps maintain a happy feeling and keeps our mood under control by helping with sleep, calming anxiety and relieving depression. Low serotonin levels are believed to be the reason for many cases of mild to moderate depression, which can lead to symptoms like anxiety, fear, feeling of worthlessness, insomnia and fatigue. Also, due to deficiency of serotonin, chronic fatigue syndrome, loss of appetite. That is why it is very, very important to smile sometimes, not you are waiting for the happy situation. You can smile even in your alone room as a yoga. And serotonin must work properly in order for you to sleep well. Before you sleep, smile first. Smile. Don't fight with your husband. Don't fight with your wife. Smile first and sleep. This should be your determination. And when you get up in the morning, smile. Yes? So smile more and more, even not only for public, but also when you are alone. Practice this lip mudra. Now let's see the muscles. So there is also, because we are very correctly learning lip smile, and from lip smile we will go to each part. Yes? So there is also importance of muscles which helps in smiling. By contracting or expanding our facial muscles in different degrees, we can produce thousands of different messages that respond to our overall emotional state. Muscles participating in smile stimulates our brain mechanism. Now let's understand. There are two major muscles participating in smile. The zygomaticus is major muscle which resides in the cheek and is responsible for tugging the lips upward, and the orbicularis oculi is a muscle which encircles the eye socket. Together, these muscles work to squeeze the corner of the mouth and eyes into the shape we know as smile. Other muscles also in the face can work to stimulate a smile, but only the particular combination of zygomaticus major and the orbicularis oculi produce a genuine expression of positive smile. When you understand this, then you can very easily recognize which is the real smile, which is the fake smile, or you can say which is the social smile and which is the real smile. See this picture. When a real smile awakens, then very naturally your face muscle smoothly takes smile shape without any effort, as you don't feel stressed on the level, and it is very easy. You don't feel stressed on the level of your muscles, and you use more face muscles when you have a genuine smile. And you see that in the lines around the eyes of the man is, you can see wrinkled more. Now let's understand the difference. We can see we are learning smile now. Why? Because after this learning, always you are trying to express genuine smile. And when you are expressing genuine smile, automatically all beautiful and heavenly emotions radiate. Now see this picture. this smile is for you. This is not social smile. So this is fake smile and genuine smile. Yes, it is very easy to recognize the difference between a genuine smile and a fake smile. Basically, the eyes close up as the cheeks move upward, and genuine smile, real smile, takes half a second to spread across the face, starting with the wrinkles of the eyes, creating laughter lines that spread to the cheek and lips. Whole face shines. Yes? So, fake smile or social smile only involve the corner of the mouth. Now let's see the picture of real smile. Can you see the real smile here? Is it real smile or fake smile? This is real smile, a sincere smile, and real smile is the expression of God's kindness. Real smile is when you can effortlessly smile in all situations. Even for hours you are smiling, you will never be tired. Your muscles are never tired when you are, this is natural. And actually, too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. Smile with compassion and love towards yourself and towards the world. This is our mission to obtain this smile after very strict practice of smile meditation. And also there is one more kind of smile. This is picture of Wellness Center meditation room. There is one more smile. Now you will understand the theme of this. A neutral smile, no muscle movement, peaceful smile, calm smile, relaxed smile, stable smile. When mind, body smile achieves harmony, soul smile joins. This is soul smile. Actually, as I said, that smile is in your core. It is never separated from you. You were born with the real smile, divine smile, this baby smile. This is glimpse of heavenly smile. You were in meditative state with smile in your mother's womb also. Baby smile is when grace of God is seen. Whether you are young, old, rough, gentle, male or female, your heart melts when a baby beams a smile at you. You turn soft in face of a genuine smile of innocence, warmth and purity of heart and mind. This is power of pure smile. This is the stage when you were in your mother's womb. Such a beautiful mind state, relaxed state. When we say that we are learning meditation, but don't you think you already got meditated for 9 months in your mother's womb? Do you need to learn meditation? It is within you. Only just little knock is required. The moment we need to collect those moments, how we can touch soul smile, the moment when you collect, when mind and body harmony, that blissful stage, this kind of smile, when it is filled in your container, and every day this is this much, this much, this much, this much, this much, and then disease cannot stay in your body. We should take effort. We should grab the opportunity. That is why, and in Ami we get so beautiful moments to express body smile, dance and smile. We should very joyfully participate in all events. Because soul, you can touch soul only when mind and body is harmonized. example in which mind smile and body smile appears very naturally. Clapping phenomena. When you clap, sometimes when you see good program on the stage or children dancing on the stage and you clap automatically, what is the harmony of mind and body? When mind is here and body is also here. When two both here, mind, body, statue. Mind should not go to the your kitchen or to the market. When body is here, mind is also here. Now in this moment, do you feel that your mind is here, body is here? Yes? This is the moment we have to catch. And also, to bring your mind back to your body, we can do clapping practice also. This is also part of meditation. Because when we clap with smile and joy, mind is here, body is here. And in that moment, when mind and body together smile, when they are aligned, then appears real smile. And this is our journey, to touch this smile finally and no suffering in our life. Let's generate pure, are you ready to generate pure smile now? Yes? Let us become like a small baby, small children. And we clap and we will generate the real smile. And we can play the music. So you have to be very determined in mind why I have come here. Without purpose, smile meditation has no meaning. My purpose is to activate my real original smile. La 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 la. Clap. As a child, Body smile and mind smile. And also, do you think this is Smile Birthday song? We celebrate our birthday once in a year. But do you know every cell is taking birth this moment also? Liver cell, skin cell, there is a degeneration process and there is also a creation process. Bone cell, so every cell is taking birth every moment. We have come from zero world and your each cell also comes from the zero world. They are very, very pure, very, very innocent. Your cells are very pure. Now what happens? Why disease is not leaving your body? Let's understand this. For example, asthma case. Lungs has some disease, or stomach gas, or intestine problem, disease. So now every day cells are created and degenerated and then new cells appear. So when new cell appears, it is very pure and it has no disease. But what happens in your body? The neighbor cells, for example, I have cancer. My mastermind says I have cancer, 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 cancer. And under this mastermind, my all cells, they also have habit to say, I have cancer, I have cancer, I have cancer. And then a new cell appear in your body. When new cell sees left and right, what my neighbors are doing? What my neighbors are doing? Cancer, cancer, gas, gas, cancer, pain, cyst, all the time. This kind of vibration in your body and new cells also joins the neighbor. And first the mind of the new cell was very pure, but when this new cell came inside under the umbrella of your body, then what happens? Neighbor cell, disease cell, mind, new cell also touches that, and as a result, new cell also now diseased cell. That is why since years we have disease. We should first love our body. All the time we are nagging, I have this, I have this, I have this. Because please don't forget, you always have a chance to repair your system. Always you have a chance to repair your system. How? Because when new cell comes in your body, you have to welcome with smile. Now every day, you have to plan, you have to think how many times I have smiled today. You are celebrating birthday every moment, not once in a year. Every moment now, even this moment now, some cell is taking birth in your body. But surrounding cells are very sad. Diseased cell, very sad. And then new cell, baby cell, innocent cell, when this cell sees surrounding has sadness environment, and this new baby cell also sad. That is why, since years, ages, disease will stay in the body. Then how to, when we understand this phenomena, then how to upgrade, how to help our newly born baby cell? How to help our baby cell? Yes? Smile, both, you never know in any moment. Catch the, you have to grab the opportunity whenever you get time. You should smile because some as if pregnant all the time. This baby cell is now here. It is, creation is happening every moment. Brahma force is symbol of creation. And creation is happening every moment, in everywhere in your body. So when we are smiling more often, then all new cells are vibrant and smiling cells. Then group of positive cells and the smiling cells, when it increases, then disease cell aura also reduced. That is why this is very beautiful song. And this song is the la.